In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet for online classes. Whether you're stepping into the world of virtual learning for the first time, or just need a little refresher, I've got you covered with this guide to help you navigate Google Meet in Sending 2025. Let's start with the basics. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to meet.google.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. It's best to use the one provided by your school or institution to ensure seamless access and integration. Now, if you're a teacher and need to create and schedule a meeting, there's a couple of ways to do this. The first option is to start an instant meeting. Simply click on New Meeting at the Google Meet homepage and select Start an Instant Meeting. This is perfect for spontaneous classes or discussions. Once you're set up, don't forget to share the meeting link or code with your students so they can join promptly. If you prefer a more planned approach, you can schedule a meeting via Google Calendar. Again, click on New Meeting, but this time select Schedule in Google Calendar. In the calendar, click Create to start setting up your event. Be sure to add all relevant meeting details like the time and participants. Importantly, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing to link your meeting. After saving, you can share the invitation link with your students through email or a messaging app of your choice. For students, joining a class is straightforward. Simply click on the meeting link provided by your teacher or visit meet.google.com and enter the meeting code. After ensuring your microphone and camera are set up correctly, click Join Now. Once in a meeting, there's an array of features at your disposal. You can toggle your microphone and camera on or off as needed, and use the chat box to send messages, questions, or links to your classmates or teacher. If you have a question during the class, you can click the hand icon to raise your hand politely. Need to show something to the class? You can present your screen to share slides, documents, or videos. If your teacher has enabled it, classes can be recorded to allow you to review the session later. To ensure a smooth online class experience, there are a few best practices you should follow. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and use headphones to achieve clear audio. Always keep your mic muted when not speaking to minimize background noise. And remember to respect classroom etiquette by being attentive and engaged. With these tips, you're now set to make the most out of Google Meet for your online classes. Happy learning!